kick off! Pump, pump, pump! El Pass. Pretty windy. Don't know if it's even worth recording. But we are. Well, not at the top of the first pass, but somewhere near there.
Yeah.
Dig this GoPro out, it's been a while. Don't really know what I'm going to say. I mean, this is a dope spot.
I pray that. Yeah. With this cross that you bear on me, can you look after my mum? She probably used her last prayer on me.
Fuck the East Coast. Fuck the East Coast trampers. West Coast trampers.
Can I go on top of the drums? On top of those men? Yeah.
I presume this video might be more about cycling the length of New Zealand. Obviously not me. Which I've not actually got any footage of yet. But yeah, the weather's turned. It's been nippy the last few days. It's freezing up here. Actually spent a bit of time editing some videos, which has been interesting. Made me think I need to record less actually get my thoughts out in one vid, not just like keep clipping and clipping, because that way it just makes a video so much easier to put together, more fun. So yeah, I might get some footage. We'll get some 2000s going as we head down here.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and run. I am trying to run a bit, more and more, which I think I've said before, but yeah, the shoes aren't the best for it when it's wet, so we'll see.
We come for murder, do all in here tonight. But the rascal, them things that them a deal with, them can't test Kalashnikov. Mister, them can't test Kalashnikov. Man figure murder on you tonight. Soul for dirt. Tell them no rasta.
What? K, lash your Ross Clark neck off. I split you in half like a gun blast from Lennox.
Ooh, a bit nippy.